Hello, so this video is going to go over how to create a face blur on a photo. So what you'll do first is you will click the photo you want and then do a right click and then select Open With and then select Adobe Photoshop. Once this image opens in Photoshop, you're going to want to click this rectangular marquee tool icon here, and then you're going to click and hold, and then you're going to drag down and select elliptical marquee tool. So this is going to create a circular selection. So you come over and you'll see your crosshairs there, and we're going to blur this kid's face out. So you'll want to click and just drag, and you're going to create a circle just around the face. Release, and what you'll do then is go up to filter menu, and then you'll go to blur, and then on the flyout you'll go Gaussian blur. And so here you can take this slider and see its effect on the kid's face. So I'll put it up to 73 pixels and see how really blurry that is. You can bring this down a little bit to just release some of the detail of his face. So I'll go about 8 or so. This will vary depending on how large the face is and everything. But with this preview box you can see the before and after. So here's the after and the befores. So I'm turning the blur on and off so you can see the difference. So once you're happy with it, just hit OK. And then you'll go up to select, and then you'll hit deselect. That's going to undo or get rid of this circle around his head. So select deselect, and then you'll go to File, Save, and then you'll just hit OK. And that's all you got to do.